This is the BLH K9 Pro 4K camera drone, which is available with different colors in the market. With super long endurance modular battery design and 90-degree adjustable 4K camera and powerful flight performance. Mini aerial drone. This is the foldable body design drone and it's easy to carry everywhere. You can fly this drone in the room. Air pressure is fixed and power easily. Wow, it's nice. This is a dual camera free switch drone. You can see your pictures and videos like this, and 5G HD transmission with super long battery design. Now 360-degree at key rolling. You can say 3D flip. Gesture to take pictures and videos. Wow, its performance is very nice. This is the headless mode of this drone, and the remote control is also a storage box. 200 meters remote control distance with 5G HD transmission, trajectory flight system and optical flow positioning mode system, more stable. You can control your drone app control and gesture control. This is the small drone and this is the product parameters, and you can read these all things about this drone. 15 minutes of flight time, and this one is remote control guide. 4K dual camera, bag, battery, screwdrivers and etc. The BLH-K9 Pro drone released very recently into the market within different colors, and this is a 4K low budget mini drone. You can buy it. Thanks for watching.